think the answer to that is how do we defend our faith? And so that's the question. And that is, um, in order to defend our faith, we have to step out in faith. Uh, Basically, like if someone's going to ask a question with the intent to entrap us in our words, we have to first look and see we wouldn't be the only people doing that. In terms of we wouldn't be the first to have that happen to us, because the New Testament is filled with scriptures on how the Pharisees or the Sadducees or certain peoples asked Jesus these questions with the intent to trap him in his words. I mean, right there, like they had malicious intent. They weren't even like just arguing or passionate about an issue or like, well, I just disagree with you. They were like, no, we want to trap this guy so we can get rid of him. And so if that happened to Jesus and we want to be like Jesus, it's going to happen to us. And that's in the New Testament too. Like there are so many scriptures that say like, if you're a Christian, you're going to have trials. The book of James, if it says that too, that you're going to have things happen. You're going to be persecuted. You're going to have rough times, but take heart. In this world, we will have trouble. And so as Christians, we need to be prepared to step out in faith to defend our faith, and then also just trust that the Holy Spirit will help us through whatever that question might be.